Hi, my name is Lucinda. Today we are doing a 15-minute massage focusing on face and sinus drainage along with some breath work with our lovely model Ariana. Let's go ahead and get started. If you're not able to join us now, please add this to your watch later and join me when you can. So we are going to start with some breath work. So we're going to get Ariana all excited just to give you an example of what you're going to feel like, and then we're going to have her rest and relax. So to do that, I'm going to have Ariana go ahead and plug your left nostril. So you're only breathing through the right. And with that, we're going to take 5 quick breaths in and out through the nose only, and go. And so what this is doing is getting you in the fight or flight mode. So if you are tired and need to wake up, like maybe before a workout would have you, or if you're trying to drive and getting drowsy at the wheel, then you can go ahead and do this. And now we're going to go ahead and set her for rest and relax. So with that, we're going to plug the right nostril, breathing only through the left. And again, 5 nice and slow breaths in and out through the nostril. Okay. Okay, and now we are ready to start. So, and I have used that like with people who have had like ALS, when they have tremors, or if they're known to have seizures, epilepsy, any of that, or if they just are anxious and need to relax, that's a great way to help get them there. So we are going to go ahead and find this little bitty groove right here. And this is the sinus area. We're going to just lightly press on that. One more. And we're going to work that up and around the eye, up to the temples. And again, breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth. And again. And from here, we're just going to kind of go into the hairline, raking our fingers. Pretty much light to medium for pressure here. You could also do like breaking a yolk on an egg. If you don't like the raking, you could go. And from there you could go into like gently pulling the hair, obviously not hard. Make sure you get enough that it's not going to hurt them by any means. And you can go into a little scalp massage here. don't ever go like in or around blocking the ears because it might freak people out. So you can always like open the fingers to go around there. I'm gonna act like the lobe is templates are cut in half here, and we're just gonna like kind of press right towards down the middle of the scalp here. Applying a little pressure, holding for like 3 counts. And from there we're going to come back, so working in that sinus area. We're going to hold right here. You'll feel another like sinus opening. So right about where the nostrils go out, you'll feel this little spot. You can go into there. And then we're going to work it around the cheekbones. This is your sinus cavity. So if your allergies, sinuses, if you get a little head cold, any of that is acting up on you, you can just go ahead and go in there. 1, 2, 3, and we're gonna move along there. Releasing and breaking everything up in there. And we'll do all of these 3 times through. 3 is the magic number here. And we can do a little like vibrating if it gets a little sticky in spots, congested. Now we're gonna work for on the jaw, and if she has TMJ, she's going to love this. So we're gonna apply a little heavier pressure. I mean, nothing killer. And open your mouth. So if they have TMJ, they're gonna, we're gonna strip out the jaw here and close. And again. And one more. Perfect. And close. And I'm gonna release the lymph back through chin. And this is also like a build-up spot for allergies right through here, so we're gonna kind of just vibrate, work on that as well. I'm gonna do a little reflexology on the ears. With them too, you can take like a finger, I know we're not really going to go in there, but like with the relaxation part too, to get them to relax, you can like push in and down. Yep, and take some deep breaths. And again. release that. And to the other one over here. And with releasing through here, after you're done with getting the spot, we're going to go ahead and just push it down. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and push in this little spot here. Gently, like the pressure of like chucking a tomato. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's just to get our lymphatic pump working. So again, we can go ahead and go through that again. And then from there, the next spot is going to be like right where the bra strap would be. So you can go about right here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And again, we're going to bring that through. And again, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And right where the bra is. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this just feels amazing. Back into some scalp massage. And we can do a little push through. This just helps with anxiety as well. So we're gonna just kind of walk our hands up. We're gonna start here, just using this part of my hands from right above the ears, and we're gonna make our way up to the top. So again, some nice breaths. And I'm going to do the same thing going this way though. So I'm going to have one hand underneath her occipital to start, and one starting at the forehead. And breathe. And we're just going to go back to going from the forehead into the hair. And that is our face and sinus drainage. Thanks for joining us. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the next video of my series. Bye.
Unlock a deeper connection with our community through our Patreon. Gain exclusive access to behind-the-scenes content, bikini hauls, and Patreon-exclusive massage videos. Join our Patreon or download our app to embark on a path of tranquility and self-discovery. Your journey awaits. Namaste.